Here is a house in my neighborhood that is vacant, or at least it's for sale. And I am going to do some HVAC exploring. Probably just going to be a Goodman or something like that. It's around here somewhere. House has gas heat. Oh, it's a Carrier. Or is that a Carrier, or is that just a temp star? What is this? I don't think that's a... This is either a temp star or a comfort maker. Yeah, we have a Lennox right here. Yeah, this one's a temp star, so I assume this one's also a temp star. See if the brand name's right there. Yeah, so this is from 2006, and the model number is pretty faded. So this one's probably about a 2 or 2.5 ton, maybe 3 ton. It has a Copeland scroll compressor. Straight cool unit. This one also has the Copeland scroll compressor, R410A refrigerant, also from 2006, and this is a 3 ton. And that is also a straight cool. We have a Lennox right here. Pretty sure this is a Merit series, but I'm not totally sure. This is from 2014, and it is a 2 ton. R410A refrigerant, and oh, the lines are frozen. That could not be good. Listed section of can't tell. Let's see if I can take a peek. That's a heat pump. This one probably also has a scroll compressor. So, a 2014 2-ton Lennox heat pump running in cool mode. There's a disconnect box right there. Mars. Yeah, this unit is sick. The low side is frozen. Can't tell if it's frozen on the inside. Actually, not really. But this unit is sick. This one has been running recently. Its lines are a little bit frozen. Well, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.